So now we will start making the hand. Hope everybody is able to see. So this is the hand. So we will just leave some space over here. Leave some space here and start your drawing from little up. From here like this.
Then we have to make from middle of the page.
This is not the middle of the page. This is little bit on the side. Yeah, you can make it in the middle of the page as well. But we will start from the side because see, we are going to draw this today. We are drawing this today. So this is the hand. So this part will come in the middle. So this part we have to start from little on the left side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. On the right side, we will get this finger. So this plant should come in the middle. So that is how we have to position our drawing. Okay. So I think this is a little. So I'm drawing the thumb now. And after the thumb is yeah. So this is the thumb and this is the actually this line should come from here. It should align with this. Okay, so this is one thumb and one finger is done. I'm just making the finger a little pointy. And after that, I'm making the middle finger. So it will be yeah. Because this finger is behind the front finger, so it will be visible less and more from there. And now I'll be making a sand. and then I'll make a third finger. So give a little curve and your third finger is ready. So now I'll make the lines between the fingers. Yeah. So this will come a bit curved. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell how to do it from first? I joined now only.
Okay, so first, see, you have to start your drawing from little left because this plant will come in the center of the drawing paper. So I made this drawing, I leave some space here and start a little up. So I made a curvy line. It's like a mountain line from here. And then I made the thumb like this. Then I made the second line down for the palm and then I made the front finger. Okay. And then I made the second finger, which is behind the first finger. And then I made the third finger. And then I made this heap of sand in the hand because we have to plant.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, beta. Make a plant.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Vaibhav.
Hi, Weber. Good afternoon. Okay, so now I am making a leaf. So this plant is a budding plant. It's just trying to grow a little. Yeah. So my drawing is ready. So now what I will do, I will just wait for 5 minutes for everybody to complete their drawing. Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait for 5 minutes? Now only I joined.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 5 minutes. I'm just making little adjustment here.
Ma'am, see my. Ma'am, see my. Ma'am, please see my. Ma'am,
Yes.
my plant is ready.
The light has gone.
Then my plant is ready. Ma'am, please see my.
Yeah.
My plant is ready, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So now my hand is also ready. So I'm done with the drawing.
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Ma'am, my hand.
On and take out your black gel pen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Please take out your black gel pen.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes, yes. Yes, this is okay. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. So now I just took my pen. You can take any ballpoint pen, gel pen, DVD marker, anything, and outline your drawing very carefully. Okay. And very neatly. We are not in a hurry to do it. Okay. So you have to do it very neatly because the neat work looks good.
Ma'am, this is JK Vaibhav. Is this okay? This pen?
Yes, JK Weber. Which pen?
Ma'am, my pen is okay.
Everybody's pen is okay. Everybody's pen is okay. I have told whatever you have, please make use of it. Okay. So now please outline, DVD marker and gel pen and ballpoint pen, all are okay. Okay, so this is called pen drawing. Pen drawing. we are not going to use any other color over here. You can use sketch pen if you don't have any supplies. You can use sketch pen and pencil color also, but I am doing it only with the pen today. Okay, because I am trying to teach you something new. So this is the pen drawing, and I don't think you guys might have done it earlier. So I am just making the sand, and then I just did the outline. So now what I will do, see, I
Ma'am,
did the outline. Beta, your fingers are very small, Karthik. You have to increase the fingers and reduce this size. See, your hand is very thick. It's very fat from here. So reduce this curve. Okay. And make the fingers little long. See, you can see the distance between the thumb and the finger.
Ma'am,
Right? How much is the difference? Your fingers
Ma'am.
are little small. Increase the size. See, increase
Ma'am.
this from here, Karthik. Okay.
ma'am,
So now
I have to tell you something. In the mud which you did you put the dots?
I put the dots with the black pen like this. See? Like this, just little waves.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my.
I will check after 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now outline it, and then you can, if you have gel pen or if you have green sketch pen or green pencil color, you can use that. I'm outlining my plant.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which will be the best to outline the plant, a gel pen or a sketch pen?
See, this is pen drawing. So I am telling you the pen drawing.
Ma'am,
I am using
Ma'am,
pen.
because I have gel pen and sketch pen both.
So you can use gel pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I thought you told to do the plant one, so outline with the black I did it.
That's okay. That's okay. We can color it in the green color inside.
Inside, can I color now? Because I'm finished.
Your outlining is finished, then you can erase the pencil marks. Okay.
Okay, after that, can I color?
Yes, 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 please. Yes, please. So if you want, you can just wait for me. I'm also done. So I will tell you how to do it.
Ma'am, please wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm erasing my pencil mark. So I'm waiting for you guys.
Ma'am, do we have to outline the hole with light green or dark green?
Hand I have outlined with the black pen.
No, ma'am, the plant with
Ma'am,
light
plant
green,
which
dark
color?
Plant green color.
Ma'am,
And
light
this
or
light
green
green
or
or-
dark green?
And light green or dark green?
You can outline with dark green and fill with the light green. Okay. Okay. So now I waited for 2 minutes and I hope everybody is with me now. So now I am doing the coloring with the pen, not coloring basically. I'm just giving a little shade. Okay. So I will start from my hand. Today we are doing the pen drawing. That's why I'm using pen. If you
Ma'am,
don't,
I have to tell you something. In the plan, we have to color in one so or only like which you did?
no, I will do it. I just outlined my drawing and I erased the pencil mark. I have yet to do the coloring. Okay. So now I'm doing a little bit of shading in my hand.
मैम आप ये किस पे बना रहे हो?
मैं ड्राइंग शीट पे बना रही हूँ.
मतलब ये पेन है?
पेन नहीं है बेटा. It's a gel pen. It's a black gel pen.
We do shading by pencils also, ma'am.
Yes, you can do it with the pencil also.
Okay, ma'am.
So whatever I am doing, that is called pen art. So inside the thumb, I am just making the small strokes. and I will just outline it twice so that it get highlighted separately from the other drawing.
Ma'am, did you outline the you did with the? Did you outline which you did the hand already?
Yes, I have outlined.
So now you're doing you're doing the hand. This hand little very black, very black. So should I do that? Very.
Yes, you have to do that because that is to separate out the highlighted area. So I'm just highlighting few areas which I am supposed to highlight. So so that see this thumb should look separate from the fingers. So that's why I have highlighted the thumb by outlining it
Ma'am.
twice. And the finger also.
मैम
Yes.
मैम अगर हम पेन से कलर करेंगे तो इंक खत्म हो जाएगी.
ठीक है, आप पेंसिल से करो. Whatever supplies you have, whatever you like to use, please use
Ma'am,
that.
can you something?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to do this when can I use? I did the which you put that for the plant. You put the line for that up in the leaf.
Yeah, so I'm doing it. See how you have to do it.
Wait, ma'am. You put
have
that line. So should I? Can I put? I put that light green. So can I put out dark green?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, did you in the leaf color the plant? See, and leaf, did you put little space
Where?
in that leaf which you colored now?
Yeah, I have left little white space. So I'm just, so you have to make the veins of the plant in the middle, and on the bottom you have to make it little dark to define the shape of the leaf, and you can just outline it twice.
Ma'am, I told you which I did that. I was doing, I did that plant by mistake. Ma'am, I did the shading.
Okay, good job. Good job. So you can fill the color in the stem like this.
Ma'am, can I tell you something? Yeah, I told I did by mistake.
Yes,
I told I did by mistakenly. I did black. I told the plant. So yeah, I put in black. So the outline you put in, that's in the leaf. You put in little that side. You put in this green color. So can I put that?
yes, you can.
Ma'am, do we need this red sketch pen? Ma'am, I done the shading, ma'am.
Good job.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have a question about the sketch pens. Why do we need this red sketch pen? Ma'am, I have a
No,
question.
we don't need it. See, I gave a choice. Many people not have the. Yes, please.
Mesh, can I do full coloring in leaf?
Yes, you can do full coloring in leaf.
Ma'am.
So now, see, I don't have brown pen, so that's why I am using brown pencil color. Yes, Arav Bansal, you raised your hand.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I color the sand too, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah, so I am coloring sand with the brown pencil color, very lightly.
Ma'am, I have to tell you something.
Yes, because I don't have brown pen.
Yeah, you did that. You did that. That plant. In that you made that lines near the leaf. You put in the little lines down near the which you. Now you're coloring. Now you're coloring the. Now you're coloring the mud. Up of that, there are lines. Up of that
Yes.
there are lines. So can I make that lines? I can color red. I'm putting the leaves green and can I put that line red?
No, instead of red, you can put that dark brown.
No, that line which you did for that leaf, which you're near the leaf, you put in down one line. Yeah, that line only.
This
That
one,
line,
right? This line, right?
not that line, not that line. The leaf.
Okay, you can. Okay,
I'm
okay, you can do red.
I'm telling this
Yeah, you.
plant which you did up.
This
Can
one.
you see that line which you did?
You can do red beta. It's okay. Yeah, you can do. You can do. ये वाला अच्छा okay you can do red. See there are leaves are of different colors.
Ma'am,
yes Karthik, now you're drawing much better. Your drawing is
Ma'am,
much
I
better.
asked that
Very good.
leaf. Ma'am, I didn't ask
Only
that.
reduce this part. Fingers are okay now.
Ma'am, I
Karthik,
didn't
reduce
ask
this
that.
part. Fingers are okay now. Just reduce this part. Okay. Okay, everybody. I hope everybody is doing good. Right? World. Nature. NATURE. Nature Conservation Day. CONSERVATION. You can make a line with the pencil so that all the letters will come on the same line. They will not go up and down. So you can just make a line with the scale. Okay. Make a line with the scale and write over it. World Nature Conservation Day.
Madam, today is a World Nature Conservation Day.
No, it's not today. It's on 28th July. So we have planned the session earlier so that kids can show their drawing in their class.
Okay,
on that
madam.
day.